Matthew said David makes $50 an hour living in Columbus as a welder.
$50 an hour welding.
Yeah.
Wow.
And he's doing pretty good for himself.
I thought he was an electrician.
I thought he was too, but Mom said that. No, he's a welder. I asked Matt. Comes home on the weekends.
Yeah. Pretty good job, huh?
Huh?
That's a pretty good job.
Yep. His dad was, I think, a welder. Yeah, his dad was a welder too. Thelma's son.
Yeah.
Uncle Butchie said he was one hell of a welder. So his dad probably even taught him when he was younger. You know, that meal we had last night was like the best meal I ever had.
Could you repeat that, please?
The meal that we had last night was the best I ever had.
Really?
Yeah, I just wish I didn't get the French fries. I wish I got some asparagus or something.
Asparagus on your french fries?
No, I wish I didn't get French fries, period.
Oh.
I wish I just got like asparagus or something. But that steak was so good. I like it better than Longhorn.
You do you?
Yeah.
Like I said, we used to go there more because the Longhorn was so busy all the time. A steak's a steak, if you ask me.
Yeah.
Depends on how you cook
That 3-course meal wasn't bad. $20.
it. Yeah. Somebody likes his shrimp, though.
Yeah. If we go there again and I would do that, I would just give you the dessert because I just can't eat all that myself, you know? Usually when we get that, I take 2 bites and you eat the rest.
Yeah.
It was just too sweet for me. The best dessert I liked was when that cookie,
Yeah.
when we first went there together.
Yeah.
Brothers Fletcher.
Johnny Appleseed.
When's that?
September 20th and 21st, I thought.
Huh.
September something.
I think it is end of the month, end of September. We have that wedding on the 20th. We're not turning right here, are we?
Well, that's where GPS says. Go up one.
Yeah. September 20th is Trevor's wedding.
Yeah. That should be fun.
Yeah.